So, oh my god, I was so small. Oh my god, you're so pretty. Well, I'm so pretty. Oh, thank you, mini-me. You know, come over here, okay? I know everything seems like it's falling apart right now and everything seems like it's going downhill from here. But trust me, things get so much better, okay? What? What the fuck? Listen fucking closely, okay, you son of a bitch? Look into Marinette more. What? Marinette? What does Marinette have to do with anything? Holy shit, I could not believe I was this fucking dense before. Just look into her more closely, okay? Okay. You see this? You see this? Your forehead? Our brain, bitch! Use it!